Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Today, we're going to uncover some fantastic street food that can be found in Israel and often flies under the radar here in North America. Unlike the popular and well-loved falafel, of course, today we're going to explore the wonderful world of Sabich. And better yet, I'm making it kosher for Passover. I can't wait to share its story and deliciousness with you as we embark on this culinary adventure together. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! We're going to get some slices of our eggplant here and we'll roast it. Iraqi Jews enjoyed this for breakfast for Shabbat morning, and they brought it into Israel. It became a popular street food, especially for breakfast. All of the toppings were originally enjoyed separately, and when they made their way into Israel, they started to be enjoyed together in sandwich form, using pita, of course. Sabich was originally thought to be an acronym standing for salat, betza, and chatzil, salad, eggs, and eggplant. It's actually named after the guy who is credited with its creation, probably because he was one of the first people to sell it on the streets of Israel. His name is Sabich Tzvi Halabi. It absorbs a lot of oil, the eggplant. Sabich was born in Baghdad in 1938 and came to Israel in the early 50s or so. And Sabich means morning in Arabic, and conveniently enough, this is enjoyed for breakfast, which is generally in the morning, unless you sleep in. The Sabich sandwich is now popular all over Israel. You can find it on the streets. Many street vendors are selling this sandwich for breakfast, and probably throughout the day as well. We salted it, now we're adding in some pepper. In it goes! Mix of our Israeli salad here. And there's another video you can check out as well that includes this. Here we go. Mixing. Beautiful. Woo! Don't lose any of your ingredients. Of course, you want to flip them. Flip. Make sure they're brown. Hey! It's hot. Sweating here. Here we go. Cooking our just egg now. I've used some chopped masala spice. Feel free to use black salt and spices of your liking. Some black pepper. Add a little smoked paprika as well. So we have our matzah here for our open face sabich sandwich. First we'll add on our hummus. Spread it evenly. Being And careful not to crack your matzah, although it will still be delicious even if it's super messy. I mean, this isn't exactly a tidy thing to eat. You do run the risk of getting messy. So get your bibs and napkins ready. Bibs. Or tarp, whatever. Whatever works. Whatever is easily accessible. Now we'll lay down some eggplant. Roasted eggplant. Whee! There we go. Beautiful. Now we'll add our Israeli salad. Now I'm adding our just egg on top here. We'll add our mango pickle. We'll add some spice with this. A nice tang, some nice spice. You can add some of the sauce from it. We have our Zhug. Just a spicy, herbaceous type of chutney. Also popular in the Middle East. And our tahini, you may want to add some lemon juice, garlic, a little bit of water to thin it out. That way you can easily get it on your beautiful, delicious sandwich. In this case, it's an open-faced sandwich, of course. Drizzle some on. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious open-faced Matzah Sabich. I'm sure we're gonna experience an avalanche of flavors. It's gonna be messy. I'm not wearing a bib. Woo! Got a tang, got a spice, everything nice. Perfect level of sweetness and saltiness. Wonderful. It truly is an avalanche of flavors. You gotta try it for yourself. So there you have it, everyone, a delicious Passover recipe to add to your recipe booklets. Vegan, and it can be made gluten-free if you use gluten-free matzah. Let me know how you make out if you try this recipe or you try a variation of it. I'm always interested to hear from you. So remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.